Izikhulu zedolobha zithi zandise amaphoyisa eKhayelitsha eCape Flats nalapho kuqhubwe khona udlame namhlanje kuseni. iSANTACO iziqhalanisile nalolu dlame.
We have issued a statement last week encouraging our people not to involve themselves in such violent activities. And we have also written a letter to God and Arrow bus services informing them about the 2 days. And we're encouraging them to use their discretion then in terms of their buses going to the townships and stuff. Because, you know, when something of this nature happens, there are other people who take opportunity, you know, and do their own thing. So by saying so, we want to distance ourselves from what is happening out there.
Idolobha lase-Kapa lithi le nhlangano yamatekisi kufanele ivume ukuthi iyathinteka kulolu dlame.
I think it's time to test whether the leadership of SANTACO are civilly liable, as we had legal action against the EFF and others who publicly called for on social media and otherwise for protest action. When those protest actions turn violent, you are responsible for it, whether you like it or not.
uSmith uthi kuke kwaba nemizamo yokuduna ibhasi lakwa Golden Arrow kodwa leyo mzamo ayiphumelelanga umsolwa ubushiwe.